Hey dudes, today I want to show you how to get that really cool record spinning down effect, like you just hit stop on a turntable and everything slows down. We're going to use this plugin called Verify. I got a beat loaded up. Let's check it out. All right, so I'm just going to hit play at the end of this instrumental here. Okay, cool. So there's this extra little outro part, but let's say I just want to make an edit where basically on the last little bar here, maybe right from here, so to there, I want it to actually spin out or spin down like a record when you're hitting stop on it. So all I did, I'm just hitting RNT to zoom in and out. I just held shift to make my selection here. It's really simple. Other than that, you just go to Audio Suite, and this is a pitch shift product. So find that menu and then go to Verify. All right, so you have slow down or speed up. In this case, we do want to slow down. And I got my selection up here, and really all I need to do is hit render. And let's just go ahead and delete this little end part now and play it back again. Nice. So of course you could do the opposite of that, which is speed up. So I'm not going to be super precious, but I'm just clicking and making a selection with the selector tool, clicking speed up, hitting render, hitting return. And that's pretty cool too. All right, I just wanted to make this quick video today to show you guys how fast and fun and easy it is to get that record slowing down effect in Pro Tools. All you got to do is go to Audio Suite, Pitch Shift, and find this Verify, and you can render anything you want. Music, vocals, anything. The creativity is endless here. It's a fun way to make a cool beat drop, or maybe just end a song a little more creatively as opposed to just fading it out or something simple like that. I hope you get to use this on your upcoming projects, and until next time, later dudes.